In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Hellofresh discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Hellofresh discount code. Go to this website right here, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, we have right now available this promo right here. So if you want to take it, all you need to do is just select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is our promo code right here that we can copy and you can apply it on our store there to get the benefits from this promo. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website right here, which is called Hot UK Deals. And right here, we have a list with other promo codes and deals that we can use to get some benefits. So if you want to get this one at a 60% discount right here, all you need to do is just select this button where it says see deal. And for this one, there is no code required. You can tap right here where it says go to shop and you'll be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.